See what this person said about this issue. What do you think? What do you think? Just listen to what he said about this issue and tell me what you think in the comment section.
Osun State Governor Ademola Adeleke cries out that his account, the state account, the Osun State government account, has been frozen by the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC), and of course, all in a bid to ensure that the government and the senior officials do not have money to run the last lap of financial mobilization to ensure that APC do not run over them and take over the state. And okay, this may be a new dimension, but we are not surprised that all of these antics will be played out. And I blame Ademola Adeleke. And then I don't have access to all of the information that he has or he had before he made that public endorsement of Bola Ahmed Tinubu. I don't. So I can excuse him. But personally, from my own corner, looking back, I thought he should have known better. Tinubu is as dangerous as it is to a foe, an enemy, or people far from me, to the same in the same level to the people who are around him. That's who he is. Whether you are far, you are close, Tinubu is a dangerous animal that should not be given a chance. And so you thought going to play around the corridors to give him endorsement. What is Tinubu's roadmap or plan? One of the things that Tinubu wants to do is to minimize the opportunity for any of the opposition party to have 25% votes in any of the Southwest states. First, that is it. Minus all of the antics and what you are seeing, politically you are seeing, there is also the way to stopping the spread of this. Because if you look at it permutatively, look at the elections, considering the constitutional requirements of securing the highest number of votes, the most important thing to note that for three of them, the top three, anybody can get the highest number of votes, depending on how well they're able to maximize their support from their fan base or from their electoral base. Peter Obi, for example, strong in the south-south, strong in the southeast, or strongest in the southeast, Christian vote, the middle belt, and all of that, massively. Christian community. So he can actually get the highest number of votes in this election if he does his own work. Where we are going to be asking questions is if he's able to secure 25% of 24 states as prescribed by the Constitution, which is two-thirds of the states of Nigeria. Can he get 25%? Same with Atiku Abubakar. Atiku can secure highest number of votes if he gets votes from the north of Nigeria and from his Fulani brothers and Muslim people anywhere. Can he secure 25%?
Download Find Them now from Google and App Store and upload your products and services so that people will be buying from you sharp sharp. People will see your services and anything that you want to buy around your area, go to findamnow.com and search for it.
Now, for the record, you see the video I posted last about the ITV news that was incomplete? Now, I got the full story. Do you understand? So actually, when I posted that video, somebody reached out to me. And the person reached out to me. The person said, what actually happened? The person that buy was a forklifter operator. The person was an operator. Do you understand? So I asked the person, what happened? And how did you know the person was a flock operator? And the video you sent to me, the video you are seeing on my screen now, how did you get it? The person said it was sent to their group. The person is working in Ogun State. Do you understand? That it was sent to their group. That all of them, they are in one group. Like all the operators are in one group. They don't get any level. Like say, this person is senior or this person not be senior. They are all working as an operator with rock tier company, aluminium company. Do you understand? Say he was also surprised that they didn't put the person that actually buy there and they didn't ask the reason of why he buy. So actually the machine he used and get accident. So the person buy for inside the company. Instead of the Chinese people to do the right footing, they package the body, they won't carry the body, go through it. Now the youth when they the place, like the workers when they did there, cut off say, no, now our person buy, you're supposed to meet the family. Do you understand? You're supposed to go meet the family of the person, do the right foot at least, even if that to compensate, at least now work the person they do when the person buy. And the next thing these people go do, they don't want answer. Now the youth start to do it. Let me get you to say for that video, they burn things to throw stone for inside the company. I ask the person, this guy see up for that place before, like it don't fair happen. Say person buy the company. Say sometimes it happen, but not be regular, like not be regular something, not be waiting like say it did regular. And now here into the era, just wait until use here this one today so now. You understand? Say they're supposed to do the proper thing. Now the reason that's why I ask the person to please get me the name of the person, get me the family of the person, and if you can get other information about the person, the full name of the person, let us know. Do you understand? And I want to use this opportunity to call out the governor of Edo State, my governor Pablo Okpegulu, the only one greatest governor. Governor, sir, please, with all due respect, sir, we are calling on your attention on this issue. According to the news from Facebook, because when I do my investigation, I saw the news was posted on Facebook 3 days ago, while it was posted on Instagram 5 days ago. On Facebook, they are saying that the governor has set up a panel, do you understand, to look into the case and make sure they get the youth of the place don't break things so they don't drive out in.
Upload your products and services on findamnow.com. Download the app on Google Play Store or App Store. or go to findamnow.com. Upload your goods and services, your products, so that you'll be selling. Also, anything that you want, go and search for it in findamnow.com.
We don't even care at this point. See, hey, I don't care again. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. Ace. In 3K. Ace. Nobody owes you shit. You're not paying anybody £1 for doing nothing.
Our social media space is now full of beggars. People begging every day, every second, every minute. Beggars everywhere. Social media space, Instagram, Facebook, name it, TikTok. My DM don't full. Every morning you see hundreds of beggars begging. Please, my children never eat. I had 3 days ago. How? They've left the streets. Gone are the days that you see the Alumanjiris on the street with their bowls. You see the Babi-Alas begging. This time now, these people they've upgraded themselves. They are now on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, begging every day. And you say, okay, come out. Let us protest. Let us set you free from the thieving and the elites that are packing your money. They said, go and bring your children from abroad. My children abroad are living a good life. There are elites there. They are not stealing their money. Why will I go and bring my children? Chibinami won't fight for you. Let me lead the protest. Let us protest so you get a better life. You say, no, you lead. You go and bring your children. But you are in my social media space. You are on my DM. You are sending me messages every day begging. Beggars and so much now on social media that they are flying like mosquitoes and flies everywhere. And we say, come, let's protest so you have a better life. You say, no, go and bring your children abroad. My children abroad are not Babi-Alas. You are the Babi-Alas. You are the one that needs help, not my children. I've been able to change my spermatozoa to international compliance. I'm no more part of.
Upload your products and services on findamnow.com so that people go dey buy from you plenty.
I want to take out my time to address why this one is shy today. Why are you shy? Put that there for me. Put that inside our box. So the press release that was issued yesterday by the Nigerian police force, I saw a lie that I wanted to debunk, yeah? And this is the lie. They said, the First Criminal Investigation Department, Abuja, on 30th July 2026, formally issued a letter of invitation to Mr. Otevere Darkman, inviting him to appear in his Abuja office to substantiate the claim he has made in the public domain. First of all, I never received any invitations from the Nigerian police. And I would like you people to post this evidence and post a receipt and where you sent the invitation to. I never received any. My lawyers did not receive any. I had to call them to confirm. Come, did they send you invitation? I never saw invitation. I don't know what they are saying here. They said no. So this is an obvious lie. People should stop it. The only invitation I got was on the 31st. It was on the 31st, as you can see, the data is from Lagos, for NPF and CCC. So which one are you people saying that you sent me an invitation to come and substantiate? If you sent me an invitation, I don't come there since. So in that spirit, now that your press release says that you are investigating Jimo, fine and good. Yeah? So send me the invites now. We are going to come. And to be very honest, there's another press release that I've seen, although the police did not post it. And this one, they completely exonerated Jimo. Completely exonerated Jimo. This is the press release that they would have done before this one, but I'm not going to talk about that one now. Now, the one where everybody see, we go talk about. That being said, I don't really have confidence in this panel that they want to set up or this smoke screen that they are putting out there that they want to investigate Jimo. The only way it will be credible, it is if it's a public panel. What do I mean by public? This panel that we are going to face, right? I'm coming with my evidence. I would love, and this is part of the thing that my lawyers are going to write to the force headquarters. I would love them to invite reputable television channels. It should be on live. It should be online. Let every well-meaning Nigerians watch it, because this is for the interest of the justice of this country. That a senior police officer is pinning a crime of murder on somebody that didn't do it, that is possibly innocent, 100%. I'm going to use possibly because they say, okay, normally until courts don't finish whatsoever.
Download Find Them now and upload your products and your services so that people can easily see them and buy from you. Also, anything that you're looking for, go to findamnow.com. You will see it there. Download the App Store, the app from App Store. and Google Play Store.